Whip it, Hey, I'm about to chef, I'm about to cook this shit. Add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I don't need nothing else, all I need is ramen. All I eat is ramen. Fuck a protein, fuck a calorie. Fuck it, I got beef, chicken, shrimp, it don't matter, B. First I roll my trees, get high as fuck. I'm high, I can eat anything when I got the munchies. It don't matter, bruh, I'm getting fatter, bruh. Check my pockets, I got couple dollars, money, so I'm buying ramen. Add some chicken broth, make a couple pots, run a soup kitchen, tryna feed the masses. I'm in the kitchen, chefing, boiling water, cooking, adding package, chefing, eating ramen. Add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, woke up, no food, check the counter. Got some ramen, I'm eating good. Chicken noodle soup, Coors Light on the side. Let's take a ride, finna hit a lick. More ramen on deck, tryna feed the hungry, the poor, and the middle class. I got class, college, always late, never first to class. Never sit up front, nah, I'm in the back with my pack of ramen, waiting for the bell. Can't you tell? Tryna hit the microwave, cook my bitch, cook my ramen, I'm eating ramens. Add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, add water to the pot, make it hot. Watch that bitch boil, put the noodles in it. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, I'm cooking ramen, I'm eating ramen. Chef, if you don't got food in the kitchen, I bet you got a pack of ramens. It just cook that bitch up, and you good for the rest of the day, you know what I'm saying? Lunch, dinner.